Solve the simultaneous set of linear differential equations. Dx by dt plus 5x plus dy by dt plus 7y equals 2 times e raised to t. Second differential equation is 2 times dx by dt plus x plus 3 times dy by dt plus y equals e raised to t. Notice that these two differential equations involve x and y as the dependent variables and t as the single independent variable. When you introduce the differential operator capital D equals d by dt, you can replace dx by dt using capital D operating on x. Similarly, dy by dt can be replaced using capital D operated on y. Therefore, the first equation can be rewritten as equation 1 and the second equation can be rewritten as equation 2. Now we wish to eliminate one of the dependent variables x or y. If you operate 2d plus 1 throughout equation 1, then we arrive at the new equation, equation 3. When you operate the operator d plus 5 throughout equation 2, we arrive at the new equation, which is equation 4. In order to eliminate dependent variable x, we will perform equation 3 minus equation 4, so that the LHS of equation 3 minus equation 4 will have no terms containing x. The LHS becomes 2d plus 1 multiplied to d plus 7 minus d plus 5 multiplied to 3d plus 1 acting on y. And in the RHS part, we have this RHS minus this RHS to be evaluated, which becomes 4 times derivative of e raised to t plus 2 times e raised to t minus derivative of e raised to t minus 5 times e raised to t, which becomes 0. Therefore, equation 3 minus equation 4 will give us this equation, which on simplification becomes d square plus d minus 2 operator on y equals 0. Notice that this differential equation is involving single dependent variable y. Also, it has constant coefficients. Since it is homogeneous differential equation, in order to find the solution of this differential equation, we will have to find out only complementary function. We have the auxiliary equation for this differential equation will be m square plus m minus 2 equated to 0, whose roots are minus 2 and 1. Therefore, complementary function becomes y equals constant times e raised to negative 2t plus another constant times e raised to t. Now we have to find out solution corresponding to the dependent variable x. Recall that equation 1 is given by this expression. When you multiply equation 1 throughout using 2, we arrive at the new equation, which is notated as equation 5. Recall that this was our equation 2. When you perform equation 5 minus equation 2, you get the expression 9x minus d minus 13 operated on y equals 3 times e raised to t, which can also be written as 9x equals 3 times e raised to t plus dy by dt minus 13 times y. Here in this equation, when you give y equals a into e raised to negative 2t plus b times e raised to t and dy by dt is given a times e raised to negative 2t multiplied to minus 2 plus b times e raised to t, which is derivative of y with respect to independent variable t, you have x equals 1 by 3 times e raised to t minus 5a times e raised to negative 2t minus 4b times e raised to t is obtained as the solution. Once we obtained solution corresponding to dependent variable y, we again depended on equation 1 and 2 itself to obtain this equation. Here in this equation, we used the expressions of y and dy by dt to extract the solution corresponding to the dependent variable x. The required solution corresponding to given differential equations will be this expression and this expression.